Hi, I'm Kamini Patel on India Food Network. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications for our new videos. We're doing a summer special salad series for you to beat the heat. Today's recipe is a Mediterranean salad. Don't forget to screenshot the next clip for ingredients to make your cooking easy at home. So you're going to start by making the lemon vinaigrette. It's a very simple recipe which requires olive oil, extra virgin, and some lemon juice. I like to add some onions. By doing so into the vinaigrette, you mellow the flavor. Some minced garlic, salt, and some sumac. Just give it a stir and set it aside while I prepare the pita bread. So this is regular pita bread, but we're going to toast it. So we're going to cut it into small, bite-sized square shapes. This is a great way to use up old pita bread. Now all we have to do is toast it with no oil on a non-stick pan. So to prepare these, I'm going to start by switching on the heat. I'm going to keep it on high. Toasting the pita bread requires no oil, butter. All it needs is high heat and a non-stick pan. Once they've toasted one side, the second side tends to go faster. So I'm just going to switch off the heat and let the internal heat do the cooking. So I'm going to let this be and go start to assemble my salad. So we start by fresh parsley. And the other green is fresh mint leaves. This is really summer on a plate. And cucumbers. Cucumbers can really help you beat the heat. It's a cooling agent for your body. Then we add green olives. We're really only playing with green here. Walnuts. They're full of antioxidants. I'm going to crush them up a little bit. And the last play on green is pistachios. Finally, crumbled feta cheese. And lastly, our toasted pita bread. And to top it all off, our lemon vinaigrette with sumac. So there you have it, the feta, cucumber, parsley and mint Mediterranean salad. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.